You can actually feel the displacement of air when you crank this thing up in a small room. It is not just about the noise. It is about that physical pressure that hits your chest during a heavy bass drop. Most people looking at these budget party units are worried about being scammed by cheap plastic boxes that rattle. But this powerhouse from a well-established brand actually holds its ground when things get loud. We are talking about 70 watts of continuous power. That is a lot of punch for something that does not break the bank. It uses a massive driver to push air with high pressure levels. This makes it perfect for a backyard barbecue or a crowded garage party where you need to drown out the chatter. The lighting effects are not just an afterthought. They pulse and sync with the rhythm of whatever you are playing. It creates this instant atmosphere without you needing to set up extra gear. Is it perfect for a studio setting where you need to hear every tiny detail of a violin? No, not even close. When you push the volume to its absolute limit, you start to hear some fuzziness. The technical clarity begins to dip. You get some of that harmonic distortion that audiophiles hate. But let's be real here. You are not buying a 70-watt party beast to sit in a quiet room and analyze jazz. You are buying it because you want it loud. You want it rugged. You want it to survive a night outside. One of the coolest features is the ability to pair two of these units together wirelessly. That creates a true stereo field that can cover a massive area. If one of these is loud, two of them are an absolute wall of sound. It is a legitimate option for anyone who needs a reliable outdoor companion. The brand has been around long enough to know how to balance cost and performance. They have focused on raw output and durability over high-end frequency response. If you prioritize portability and sheer volume over clinical accuracy, this is a strong contender. Some people might prefer a tiny speaker they can toss in a bag. This is not that. This is the speaker you bring when you want to be the life of the party. It feels sturdy and looks aggressive in a way that tells you it is ready for work. You get that sense of reliability that is often missing in the budget market. It is quite a feat to deliver this much decibel power without the price tag becoming astronomical. Just keep an eye on that volume knob if you are a stickler for crystal clear highs. Once you get past 80%, the trade-off between volume and clarity becomes very obvious. But for the average listener who just wants to feel the music, that is a small price to pay. It is a no-nonsense tool for entertainment. It does the job it was designed for with plenty of energy to spare. The last time you were at a lake or a bonfire, you probably noticed how the music just felt thin and weak in the open air. That is the exact problem this device aims to solve. It fills the open space with a presence that smaller, more expensive units often struggle to match. The build quality suggests it can handle a few bumps and bruises along the way. Even in the competitive landscape of the current market, finding this much value is rare. You get the lights, the power, and the stereo pairing all in one package. It is a bold statement piece for any gathering. It is not trying to be a fancy piece of home decor. It is a tool for making memories and keeping the energy high until the sun comes up. If you need raw power on a budget, this is a clear winner.